Hi guys, it's me, Gurong Gala, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, tara at samahan ninyo ako na manood muli at makinig sa performance ni Alienet. Pero bago natin ipagpatuloy ang video na ito, kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga videos na ina-upload natin. Kaya naman guys, wag na natin patagalin pa ito at simulan natin panoorin at pakinggan ang isang angelic voice na performance ni Alienet. Let's go!
You were my strength when I was weak. You were my voice when I couldn't speak. You were my eyes when I couldn't see. You saw the best there was in me, lifting me up when I couldn't reach. You gave me faith 'cause you believe
Galing.
I'm everything I am because you loved me. You were always there for me, the tender wind that carried me, light in the dark, shining your love into my eyes. You've been my inspiration through the lies. You were the truth. My world is a better place because of you. You were my strength.
Ganda ng boss niya, no? Angelic voice talaga.
When I couldn't see, you saw the best there was in me. You gave me faith 'cause you believe I'm everything I am because you loved me. Ooh, yeah. I'm everything I am because you love me.
Nice. Grabe talaga yung boses ni Alienet. Alam mo yung parang one of a kind yung boses ni Alienet. Yung para kang aantukin ka sa boses niya, yung sa sobrang ganda. Parang inihehele ka niya, yung ganon. Grabe, iba talaga yung boses niya. Guys, isa tong patunay na ang kapansanan ay hindi hadlang sa kung anumang meron tayong mga talento. Kaya naman kung may mga talent tayo, huwag natin tong ikakahiya. Bagkus, ipakita natin to sa buong mundo. Malay natin, isang araw, hindi natin alam, maging isang tanyag na tayong mang-aawit. Kaya naman guys, kung gusto niyo yung mga ganitong content, huwag niyo kakalimutang mag-like, share and subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga videos natin. Yun lang. Thank you for watching.